Find the screw on the stem. This will be where the AirTag holder will be installed. Make sure there are 2 round foam tapes and 1 screw in the AirTag holder. And of course your AirTag. Unscrew and remove the original screw on the stem. Put the AirTag holder on the corresponding position and screw the provided screw into the hole of the stem. Put a foam tape behind the AirTag. You can also stick the foam tape on it. Then put another foam tape in front of the AirTag so that it can cushion the AirTag from shocking during riding. Finally, you can put the AirTag holder cover on and tighten it. Make sure it is well installed.